Damn. When I have space, when I have my mini farm, I need to come check that bird thing here. If she have any baby, let me check over there. There's one egg over there. I'm going to check if she has baby. Look at that big avocado, full of avocado fall on the ground. And I don't even have time. Look at mangoes. Let me not see nothing. And I think that's it. I was just here. Look at one mango on the ground here. There's something was moving here. Did the eggs turn out a baby? Something moving. Oh, what's moving? The egg's still there. Let me show you guys. This is a beautiful baby eggs. Blue. I don't know. She's been here. I guess she's not tuning out. No babies. I think that's the same grapes right here. And look at this.